Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by killing power at the breaker and confirming the fan circuit is dead with a non-contact tester. Next, gather your screwdriver, wire stripper, drill, wire nuts, and measuring tape so you won't pause mid-job. Remove the grill and light bulb if present, then photograph the wiring and duct connection for reference. Once done, loosen mounting screws and inspect the existing housing. Note how the duct and electrical box are attached so you can reverse the steps cleanly. With the grill off and power confirmed off, support the housing from below and loosen the duct clamp or cut away old foil tape. Keep the duct intact if you plan to reuse it. Then disconnect the wire nuts, separating the fan leads from house wires and labeling them if anything looks odd. Remove the mounting screws or nails and slide the housing out of the ceiling. Make sure the joist or bracket is intact and clear debris so the new unit sits flush and secure. Position the new housing into the opening and fasten it to the joists or retrofit brackets per the manufacturer's instructions. Reattach the duct using a clamp or foil tape and seal the joint to prevent leaks. Make your electrical connections by matching wire colors, twisting ends, and securing with properly sized wire nuts. Then carefully push the wires into the electrical box and mount the fan. Turn the breaker back on and test the unit. If it doesn't run, make sure the breaker is on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.